In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple locations on Google My Business. This is really useful if your business serves customers in more than one area, but you don't actually have a separate physical storefront in each place. We'll walk through how to show all of your service areas using a single business profile. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, the same way it appears on your Google business profile. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to manage that business. If you're not logged in with the right account, you won't see the management options we're about to use. Once your business shows up in the search results, you should see a special panel for business owners, usually right at the top of the page. There, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear with different tabs for editing your business information. In that pop-up, switch over to the Location tab. This is where you control how your business appears on the map and where you say you operate. On the Location tab, you'll see a section called Service Area. This is the key feature for adding multiple locations without creating separate business listings. Service areas allow you to tell customers which cities, neighborhoods, or regions you serve, even if you only have one official business address. This is especially important because each Google business profile can only have one physical address. Instead of trying to create multiple profiles for the same business, which can cause issues, you'll list your additional locations here as service areas. Click on Service Area, and that section will expand. You'll see a text field where you can start typing another area you serve. Begin entering the name of a city, town, or region. Google will show you suggestions in a drop-down menu as you type. Select the correct option from that dropdown so that Google maps it properly. Repeat this process for every other area you serve. Type the location name, choose the correct result from the dropdown, and it will be added to your list. As you go, you'll see all of your chosen areas appear under Selected Service Areas just above the Save button. When you're done adding all your locations, take a moment to review the list and make sure everything is spelled correctly and accurately represents where you do business. Once you're happy with it, click Save, and that's it. You've now successfully added multiple locations to your Google My Business profile using service areas.